In this video we have a very heavily browned viscose rug from Coco Republic. This rug is worth probably around about $3,500 to $4,000 Australian dollars, and this browning can be caused from any moisture that gets into the rug. The browning from this particular rug is from cleaning, steam cleaning, and a bit of urine. We start first with the back of the rug, applying a couple of solutions just to the browning spots on the back to help them remove during the washing process. As we turn the rug over, we'll see the full extent of this browning. The far right edge is caused by urine and steam cleaning, and the rest of the rug is just from steam cleaning. This is a very common problem for this rug, and it gives a lot of headaches to a lot of carpet cleaners. This is a very typical and common problem for this type of rug, which is a Viscose Rayon rug, otherwise known as viscose, art silk or flossed silk, and the browning can happen from just simple water getting on the rug, even though they all look like it might be from coffee, tea, urine, something like that, but most of it is just water. We use a variety of different solutions to remove this browning. There is a trick to it. One of the key components for any viscose rug is to have the rug consistently wet and consistently dried, so it doesn't give a chance for that browning or the tannins that cause that browning to come out in the rug. Some of these solutions directly deal with the browning, and some of them prevent any further browning during the washing process, because if water can cause this problem, then washing it seems like an unusual solution to get rid of it. But using these particular solutions, we can get the rug to release the browning and prevent further browning during the washing process. It's a very delicate situation, and we've had to key in this process over many months, years to get it right. This is after the first wash, and when you see it rolled out, you'll see a little bit of browning still remaining, which is pretty common. Oftentimes these rugs need to be washed 1, 2, 3 times just to get this staining to be removed. And we washed this rug 3 times to get a good result. The rug is being treated with a leave-in stain treatment. This particular solution that I'm using on this rug will evaporate very quickly, so it helps with the browning, but it doesn't add too much moisture that it causes browning to come back. As you'll see going over the rug, there's still a little bit of browning remaining. This is going to be washed 2 more times before we have the final result. And after 3 washes, this will become this.